Hello, this is Brian with WTI, and here I have a mini pump. It's the AIRBANK SE. So let me tell you about it so you can see how it comes handy when you go biking. I have been cycling on and off throughout my life. And let me tell you, flat tires are the absolute worst. I've had my fair share of frustrating experiences dealing with them, especially when I'm miles from home. That's why I was so thrilled to discover the AIRBANK SE. This little pump is a game changer. It's so compact and lightweight. I can easily slip it into my smallest backpack. In fact, it's so light, I can lift it with just 2 fingers. I love how versatile it is. It works with both Schrader and Presta valves, so I don't have to worry about compatibility issues. Plus, it's not just for bike tires. I've even used it to inflate my air mattress for camping trips, so that's great. The AIRBANK SE has saved me countless times from being stranded on a ride, and I can keep my day even when I don't have enough air on my tire. So it's very reliable, easy to use, and has become an essential part of my cycling gear. So if you're tired of dealing with flat tires, I highly recommend giving the AIRBANK SE a try. And that's my point of view.